Hogbetsotso is one of the great festivals celebrated by the people of Angolon, just to remember how they were able to escape from Moche. Today is the kids festival, and Hogbetsotso today is the 60th anniversary, and the people of Angolon are celebrating it. We celebrated the mini Hogbe last time. Today is the activity for the students. All schools in the municipality or in the Angolon land are celebrating Hogbetsotso today. I have with me some of the teachers over here to explain to me the details of why it is supposed to celebrate Hogbetsotso with the kids today. So I have with me one of the teachers. Hello, sir. Egba miagba edore miagbole egba kwanke kama Jalukope RC miawe schools get hosting egba. You people are hosting many of the schools today. Why? If people are celebrating Hogbetsotso with the kids today, as we know, we have a grand deba and people are celebrating Hogbetsotso. Why the schools are celebrating it different from the big one?
Oh, okay, thank you.
I celebrated the mini Hogbe last time.
Okay, thank you. I'm very happy to join this Everlove TV this afternoon. When we are talking about Hogbetsotso, it's a traditional festival which is celebrated by the Angolans and the chiefs of Angolon land. Yeah, it's not celebrated by the whole people of Ghana, especially for those who are in Angolon land. Yeah, we said earlier on the mini Hogbe. Yeah, mini Hogbe simply means that a Hogbe. Yeah, a mini Hogbe simply means that a Hogbe for the youth, especially it's typically based on the students. It's not for ordinary people.
No. Mini Hogbe and the schools one.
Yes, schools one. In a time we are celebrating Hogbe, we do call all the student body to celebrate, to showcase our tradition, the culture, the value of our culture to the people. That's why we base it on, we say, a mini Hogbe. Yeah, so all the schools around Anglo always celebrated this. But our circuit is called Jelokopa V. So we decided to host it at Jelokopa RC as the central.
So meaning people in Keta Central also host theirs.
Also host theirs there.
Tegbi also host theirs.
Exactly. Okay. From a V down to Katasco, we are hosting it at Jelokopa RC.
Okay. So tell me the difference between the student mini Hogbe and the mini Hogbe that we celebrated at Angolon Afiarenyiba last Saturday. What's the difference?
Yeah, you see, this one is with us for a long now. But mini Hogbe, which was celebrated at Afiarenyiba, actually, I don't know much about that. But sometimes, you see, when you have a grand deba, and we wanted to do a small deba aside a bigger one, then we call it a mini Hogbe. So, Afiarenyiba is part of Angolon, but they feel like celebrating it before the grand deba, so they term it a mini Hogbe. So whoever wanted to celebrate the Hogbe before the grand deba, we call it mini Hogbe. So as Afiarenyiba is also part of Angolon, the chief there, Togbi Akamu the fifth, also decided to celebrate a very small way. So he named it mini Hogbe.
Let's come to the students. Why will the students has it to celebrate it? Why is it important for the Angolon land for students to celebrate Hogbe?
You see, students celebrating Hogbe, we are trying to inculcate the value of Hogbe, our tradition, the value. When you see the ground, they all dress in that manner, that culture, and they are dancing on that rhythm. So that tells you that we are trying to inculcate into them the values from the childhood into the when they grow up, they know the value and the culture of Angolon land.
So can we say that those that we've been seeing at the grand deba, the old ones, the old they started from the kids side. Thank you for explaining to Everlove TV this great day. What do you have for Everlove TV?
I want to say at this moment that Everlove TV is a kind of a TV or media which is helping the community a lot. Sometimes you be at home, you open your phone, you realize that Everlove TV pop up onto your phone. News that you are not aware of, Everlove TV is ready to give you that news. So we are very happy and very glad for Everlove TV.
Thank you for supporting Everlove TV and then speaking to Everlove TV as well. Thank you so much. Everlove TV, as you heard him, he said so many things about the Hogbetsotso celebrated by the people of Angolon, how it is all started. The students have to celebrate it just to inculcate the activity, the cultural value into the kids so that when they grow up, this will not be a difficult for them. Thank you so much. Let's go and watch all the video surrounding the mini Hogbe or the kids Hogbetsotso today. Bye-bye.
Hey, what's up? Lekenya Domia, Miakata ni Mwokponko Mienya. You don't know Stoneboy, Everlove TV. Mialem Kuranwe. All right. Beep.
Vaya.